Hi, my name is Tom Donnelly, and I'm going to be teaching the Intro to Programming with C# this year. And here's kind of a little bit about myself. I live on Whidbey Island, so I'm actually going to be taking a boat to school every day. So typically, I may or may not be here right as the bell or just before. So one of the things that I do is I actually check email both when I get here, before I leave, and then also when I get home. So the best way to get a hold of me typically is via email, and you can send questions to tdonnelly@nsd.org. And other things about me. I've got 2 kids. We recently just sent my youngest, my son, off to college, so we've got both out of the house right now, and that part's good. Maybe paying for it's not as much fun, but it's good to get them out of the house. Classes I'm teaching this year. So I've got Finance, MS Applications, Web Design, C#, and IB Comp Sci with Java. So I've got 5 different preps this year, so I'm kind of running all over the place, so that part's good too. This part right here is kind of old. Everything I'm going to be doing is going to be up on Schoology, so I'm trying to kind of load assignments, any other kind of notes, textbooks, things like that we might be using up onto the Schoology website. Typically with assignments, they should include directions and then kind of a way to go ahead and submit them after that. We're going to be using Visual Studio 2019. So it seems like everybody's got a computer here at school. Though it is kind of a large class, 38, so we've got some people working on their own computers. Things I've done in the past, robotics club. Not sure if this is going to happen this year just because of the no field trips and other things like that. But typically this was kind of like a 6-week build season, kind of after January, and then a couple of competitions and things like that. I also do the Hunt the Wumpus, and this is probably going to be one of the things where if we could do field trips and we can have outside people come in with the C# class, I will probably end up doing that with them. If it doesn't work, I will probably just go ahead and run it myself, kind of towards the end of the season or end of the year, trying to bring everybody, start getting everybody to think about having to work as like a software dev team after we've gone through class objects and things like that. So typically, end up assigning class objects to each of the students, and then they've got to go ahead and work with the other students to figure out what they owe to the game and how things will kind of like interact, so it's kind of like what's the interface between objects and stuff like that. So that's my hope for C# is to go ahead and get that in there. Typically with this class, we're actually going ahead and starting just, kind of using form-based apps where we can go ahead and kind of like do some of the control object concepts just using, kind of forms, and then figuring out how to go ahead and program, the code that way and kind of going from there. So we'll be doing, stuff from creating forms, writing code, saving, debugging, variable declaration, control structures, Boolean logic arrays, objects, inheritance, and things like that. So that's kind of what's going on with C# this year. So once again, if you got any questions, don't hesitate to email, and then I typically will try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, hopefully sooner, and then we'll go from there. So have a good night, and talk to you later.